Here are 4 tips to keep your heart healthy.
1.
Eat healthy food. Staying healthy is not just about sticking to one strict regimen, depriving yourself of food that you love, but it's about eating sensibly. Eating a diet consisting of plenty of fruits and vegetables. Be aware of your eating habits. You can actually plan your menu and eat in moderation. Yes, the food is very sweet, but don't kill yourself.
2.
Avoid heart-killing habits. Yes, heart-killing habits like smoking. Friends, smoking kills. Quitting smoking is one of the obvious things to do to keep your heart healthy. So do not smoke. Now, how about the drinks? Yeah, some of us love drinks so much. But it's good to limit the frequency and quantity of alcoholic drinks you take. Excessive alcohol causes blood pressure to rise. And it's not a matter of being drunk or not, but it's about the fact that alcohol kills your heart slowly. You don't want that happening to you.
3.
Exercise your heart. We all know that regular exercise is important. It keeps your heart pumping, and that's healthy. Do you know that laughing a little is a form of exercise? So let off that serious face and smile. Yes, laugh a little more whenever it's necessary. It's free. It costs nothing.
4.
Relax. You know, life is filled with so much stress that we forget to relax sometimes until our body demands for it. However, one thing you must do to keep your heart healthy is to avoid stress. Find ways to relax more, or find ways to temper the stress. And one key way to do that is to relax. Yes, just relax. There you have it. 4 ways to keep your heart healthy.